there, this is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales. We've just had arrived the new Merry Fisher 795 Sport, and I thought I'd just take you around the boat, show you the layout of it, and also let you know some of the options on this boat. We've got this boat here. She's got the Yamaha 200 horsepower on her, so it's got the bigger, one of the bigger engine options you can have on the boat, and it really is quite a stunning boat, to be fair. The boat's on the market at 109,950. And walking down the side here, you've got these new decals showing that it's a sport, and it really does look quite stunning. Can't wait to actually see it physically on the water as well. Also, as you probably can see from here, we've got a good side opening door, so great from a fuel pontoon perspective. Side access to the boat should be really good with this boat. But I'll take you around it. I'll take you on board. We'll go through the options that she's got on her and get a bit more of an in-depth look at the boat as well. As I say, it's a brand new boat. It's here. It's available now, so you can have it this season. So please do feel free to give us a call at Burton Waters if you want any further details or would like to come and actually view the boat as well. Here we are. I'm now up on the hard-standing sails pontoon, so we can step easily aboard the Merry Fisher 7.9 Sport that we have here, and let's go through some of the options, and then we'll get on board and have a look at what accommodation and the walk around ability of the boat is. So on the back here, you've got these lovely big bathing platforms, give real good egress onto the boat. You can actually get onto the boat from either side across the back here. Both sides have a gate. And then you've got a fantastic seat layout option on this boat as well, which I'll show you in just in a few moments. So looking on the back here, we've got the Yamaha 200 horsepower engine with a 5-year warranty. The boat itself from Jeanneau comes with a 3-year general warranty, 5-year blister warranty, and a 7-year structural warranty. So just looking at the back of the boat here, we've got this stunning sunshade that just pulls out and then can be easily pushed back in and zipped into a bag. And then above that, we've then got multiple rod holders as well. So if you're into your fishing, you've got plenty of space on this boat for putting your fishing rods and obviously having them fastened into the boat as well. The boat comes with a live tank and a bait locker as well. So ideal if you're going to take up fishing, or if you want to use it more as a day boat with good access around the boat, it really will work well. And up here on the roof, this even got the roof rack system so that you could actually put paddle boards and so forth on the roof as well. So let's step aboard and let's have a look. So, I mean, the big difference you can see with the 795 Sport is the fact that the cabin is centralised, with walkways down both sides of the boat, and we will take a wander up the deck in just a moment. And then you've got this truly magnificent cockpit space. Let's step aboard and I'll sort of show you different options on that. So the benefit with it is you can either have the side seats down as they are at the moment, or you can have the folded up in the up position. On here you've got a centre on this boat. We've got the centre module, which allows you to have it as a bench facing out when you're fishing out over the back of the boat, and alternatively you can put the backrest on and just pull this cushion straight down like so, and then turn it into a nice relaxing area. And as you can see, you've got the fold out benches which are on both sides of the boat as well, including just here. Plenty of storage below underneath for all your gear, and then obviously don't forget you've got the paddleboard options on the roof as well. So the benefit of this boat, you've got 3 ways of access into the cabin. We've got from the back door just here, and then you've got a door on each side from this excellent walkway. Also to note is this side door, and this really is a great feature on the boat, as you can literally just slide it open and then you've got great access on and off the boat, especially if you're on a fueling berth or you have a side on mooring. It gives you good points of access on and off the boat itself. So walking up the deck here, it's nice and flat. You just end up with the 2 steps just here, and then once you're up onto the bow, you've really got this lovely stunning seating area. at the moment we've got the extra cushion over the back far point, which is just here. That you can take out, which allows you to walk right round the boat, or if you have it in sort of setup as it is at the moment, it gives a lovely sort of lounging area with the benefits of being able to look straight from forward off across the bow, and even sit there with a fishing rod and a drink in hand as well if you wish. This boat's also equipped with the electric windlass, so really handy for mooring up into bays, and obviously it's really set up for enjoying company with friends and so forth. Now, just whilst we're up on the front here, we'll go to spin round. You get a real concept of how that front screen now sits, gives that sort of real trawler size. And then on the top here, we can see the bars on the roof to put your paddle boards and such like, as well as the opening roof as well. So let's pop inside the boat and see what it has to offer in terms of internal accommodation. So the first thing you notice on this boat is it's a really light and airy cabin. You are surrounded with glass all the way around you. So great if you are inside, you can still see out. If it's cold in the evenings, this boat's even equipped with the Webesto heating system as well. You've got this nice table which drops down from the roof, which is really handy. You've then got a little bench seating position just here as well. And then we've got the fridge down here. And if I just swing round and drop down, you've also got the sink just in there with a pressurised water system. As I say, this boat hasn't been PDI'd yet or anything. We've just literally just been arrived with us. On the helm here, it's got a great setup. You've got the Garmin chartplotter, your electronic display for your Yamaha engines, and also your fly-by-wire technology, throttle control for the engine, as well as having the keyless ignition system with a ignition on and then a stop and start button. This boat's also been equipped with the bowthruster, so a very manoeuvrable boat, it's got to be said. And the other benefit of having the heating system is you then get the forward windscreen demisters as well. Great for if it's a wet, horrible day for clearing the screen off. Also to note, nice handy 12-volt socket just up here, as well as having a dual USB plug-in zone there for your mobile phone and so forth. So really quite handy. This boat also has the full curtain kit that goes round. And then if we look down below, you've got this really handy berth with an infill there, so you can make it for a great, staying overnight and so forth. You've also got the better option of putting the cockpit table up as well, so you can make it just a social area at the back of the boat. And then just to the side here, we've then got the access to the head, which has got a sea toilet which pumps to a holding tank, and there you've then got also the holding tank waste gauge as well, a sink, and you get a little bit of light coming through that porthole, which is opening, so you can get some ventilation. Also to note, from this front, you can just use this front area as a storage area, and it's very easy to, from the front of the bow of the boat, to lift this opening hatch and then just be able to drop stuff straight onto that forward berth stroke storage area. And then again, if we just look round to this side, we've got this door here, a nice sliding opening door. Plus you've got obviously your two helm positions, co-pilot and pilot seat. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of the layout of this boat. As I say, it is available now. We're just waiting for the VHF to turn up. There is a shortage of VHF radios in the market at the moment, but we really hope it sort of gives you a feel for the boat. I'm no video maker, don't claim to be, but it's really just to give people the opportunity to feel the boat, see the boat, to make a decision whether you think something like this could work for you. And if so, please give us a call. We do marine finance as well, and we also will deliver the boat to you. Cheers.